Starting a faceless YouTube channel or turning those long, sprawling podcasts into snackable, viral shorts doesn't have to be a painful process. The reality is that video creation tools are evolving rapidly, and today, speed and efficient workflow matter infinitely more than fancy, flashy features. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Vizard like a total pro to transform long videos into eye-catching clips, batch your content, and keep a consistent posting schedule without spending your whole life inside an editor. Think of this entire video as a 10-minute crash course designed to get you publishing more content while doing significantly less heavy lifting. Let's dive right in, and keep in mind that if you haven't given Vizard a try yet, there is a link down in the description where you can sign up and grab some trial credits to play with. Once you are logged into the dashboard, everything is laid out logically, separating your projects, the auto-edit magic, your content calendar, and your asset library. I personally love that it is incredibly clean, so you are not left guessing where to click or hunting through a dozen hidden sub-menus just to get started. You can immediately upload any long video you have, whether that is a webinar, a deep dive podcast recording, or a previous YouTube live stream. Now, it is important to clarify that Vizard is not just another generative AI tool that paints frames from scratch like some of those other futuristic generators. While generative visuals are cool, they can get expensive quickly, and sometimes you end up losing the original vibe that makes your content special. Vizard's true sweet spot is taking your existing high-quality footage and intelligently extracting the very best moments to turn them into platform-ready gold. This approach is infinitely more scalable because you are reusing what you already know works, rather than trying to build brand new videos from thin air. Let me walk you through the auto-edit workflow where you upload your long file and simply select the auto-edit button. The software analyzes the entire file and gives you smart suggestions, including highlight timestamps, potential viral moments, and segments that are rich with emotion. You can easily preview these suggested clips and choose to accept them as they are, tweak the start and end points, or even ask the AI to generate different variations. When I uploaded a 30-minute interview, Vizard immediately surfaced 7 different high-engagement candidates, including punchlines and key teaching moments. One of my absolute favorite features is the clip swap idea, which is a lifesaver when you need to replace a host shot or swap out some B-roll footage. In Vizard, you simply pick a suggested clip, choose the replace source option, and then you can seamlessly drop in an alternate take or a better camera angle. The editor automatically handles the timing and re-renders the clip for you, which is perfect for fixing mistakes without rebuilding your entire edit. Adding overlays and stickers is the next step to making your content pop, because high-performing videos always rely on hooks and visual annotations. Vizard lets you add these elements super quickly, letting you place pop-up text or animated stickers that point right to your call to action. I once took a clip of 2 people talking and added a playful animated thought bubble right above their heads, and it made the whole interaction feel way more dynamic. Compared to older tools that force you to export and re-import files between different apps, doing this all inside one platform is a total game changer. Removing unwanted parts is just as simple. So if there was a messy interruption or an awkward long pause, you can just select that region and hit remove. Vizard analyzes the surrounding audio and frames and then gives you a clean transition that makes the edit look like the awkward part never happened. Instead of inventing visuals from scratch like other apps, Vizard offers text-driven clip search, which is incredible for saving you manual labor. You can simply type a prompt like mentions content strategy or paste a specific phrase, and Vizard will find every moment where that topic is discussed. In a recent episode, I typed repurposing tips, and within just a few seconds, it generated 3 ready-to-post clips where that exact phrase was mentioned. There is also a really handy prompt assistant in the search bar that helps expand your query into better variations like one-liners or audience questions. Under the hood, you will find ready-made presets for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, which saves you from resizing everything manually. If you upload a static portrait or a thumbnail image, Vizard can generate a short animated intro from it using zooms and parallax effects. I used a simple promo still and had Vizard create a 6-second animated opener, which made my channel look way more consistent and professional. For those who like to control the camera feel, Vizard gives you great style presets, like cinematic slow reveals or punchy, energetic cuts. I usually pick the conversational style for my podcast highlights to keep a human, authentic feel, and then I just tweak the pacing slider if I want tighter cuts. The creativity slider is also fantastic, because pushing it higher lets the AI take more liberties with jump cuts, or you can keep it low for minimal intervention. Another feature I rely on daily is the auto caption and subtitle styling, which accurately generates captions and offers quick tools to make them look great. Captions are absolutely non-negotiable for social media these days, and Vizard's batch captioning saves me hours of tedious work every single week. Scheduling is where Vizard truly separates itself from other editing-first tools because you don't need to export everything manually. Simply set your posting frequency, pick your platforms, and Vizard will queue and publish based on the calendar plan you created. It is an incredibly powerful system for creators who want to maintain a consistent presence online without having to babysit their uploads all day. While some other tools might offer bleeding-edge frame generation, they often require too much manual fine-tuning and can produce results that look synthetic. Vizard finds the perfect middle ground by automating the repetitive tasks that actually slow you down, while still letting you keep total creative control. There is also great voice and lip sync flexibility, so if you ever need to revoice clips or punch up your audio, you can use the text-to-voice feature. I use this to create English and Spanish versions of a specific tip, which was one single upload and 2 localized outputs with 0 headache. Finally, the assets management is very slick, as all your clips, templates, thumbnails, and audio sit in one organized library. So, the workflow I recommend is: upload your long video, run the auto edit, skim the highlights, and style them to perfection. Then use the auto schedule feature to release them across platforms, and you will be amazed at how quickly one recording turns into a month of content. If you found this useful, go try Vizard with the link in the description, play around with one of your videos, and see how much time you reclaim. Drop a comment with the kind of long-form content you make, and I'll put together a follow-up showing the exact presets and calendar tips for your specific format. Happy creating, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.